The second one, you basically need to get a rubber band, right? Probably like two or three so that it will be tighter, you won't be loose. Right. So we've already talked about the first step, things you're gonna do to make sure that okay, the part that looks new should be facing the audience and also to know whether it's you want the short format or you want it to be long. Okay, so the next step for you to do is after making it like this, right, to be the length you want, then you hold the part, the entire rubber band, okay, usually tie like twice or three times so that it will be tighter and it won't get loosened. All right, so this is it. So this is it, and you have to hold it over on your waist and do the same thing you did initially, which is checking if they are of the same level, then you tie it. All right, so you can see it's quite simple. See how fair it is and see how this places. You know that some wrappers, some are actually longer, some it depends on how they cut it for you. Right, so this is how it should look like. This is how it should look like. All right, so let's go over to the next style. So this next style is quite simple. It's very, very simple. All right, so let's go there. Okay, for the third style, you don't need to fold it before putting it on your body, right? So you just have to put it over on your waist, okay? Then you fold it to the length you want, all right? Then you see how simple this one is going to be. You're not going to tie the opposite end. You're not going to tie this part. There's only one part, the part that is open. That's the part I'm going to tie, okay? And I need you to know that they are not going to be of equal length. Definitely, one side has to be higher than the other part, so they are going to be slanted, right? So you're going to tie it twice. This is the first time. This is the first one. So we tie the second one. All right. So this is how it is. I'm very sure you've seen somebody tie the wrapper like this before. So yay. So this is how it's going to be. It's quite simple. So these are the three ways you can actually style your wrapper for your dance.